Hello, welcome to Chalk Talk Tutorials. In this video, we will talk about how to treat bad breath instantly. So the best medicine for instant effect to get rid of bad breath is Sichuan pepper or Timur in local language. Timur is its local name, and this Timur species is native to China and some of the Himalayan regions of Nepal. It shows great results in treating nausea, constipation, acidity, mouth ulcers, bad breath, increased digestion, and many other benefits from a single pepper. It starts working in just 5 to 30 seconds and shows great effects. Just take 1 to 2 pepper and chew gently. It results into the formation of a lot of saliva in the mouth, and if you want to get rid of only bad breath, then spit the saliva again and again, and if you want to get rid of constipation also, then swallow the saliva. Swallowing of saliva after taking pepper may also result in vomiting, but don't worry, after that you will feel light and more relaxed. Some people also use this pepper in making of tea. It also helps in various other diseases and have good effects with no side effects. And the most important thing is that you can purchase this item from Amazon.com at a very reasonable price. If you find this information useful, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you.